Michael, your Amazon order has arrived.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing a new product that I believe you guys need and you don't even know, especially if you are a content creator or maybe just an artist that likes to document your art progress. This product is basically for you. So without further ado guys, I present you the Dismount Rig. So if you're probably wondering what is this for, so basically if you are, like I mentioned before, a content creator of any kind and you're looking for that top-down angle for your videos, this makes it really easy. So if you were to order this on Amazon, it will come in a box like this one. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and do a really quick unboxing so you can see everything inside and then the setup, and I'm also gonna be testing different light scenarios, including the integrated light that comes with this rig. And also I'm gonna do some other tests using just natural window lights to compare the different looks that you can create using a rig like this one. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption. I wanted to ask you for a small favor. If you are enjoying my video, can you hit that like button? It helps me a lot here with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you like the content I'm producing, don't forget to subscribe. If you do subscribe, don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my new videos. And also for this video, I ordered a new microphone. As you can see right here, this is the Vimo C from Comica. I ordered this on Amazon and I wanted to test it on this video. So at the end of the video, let me know what you think of this audio quality. And as always, I'm going to leave links of all these products if you guys are interested and you want to help me here on this channel at no additional cost to you. You can use that link and it helps me a little bit here on the channel. So in advance, I want to say thank you for your support. All right, guys. So now without further ado, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this rig mount. Here we go. All right, so my first impressions of this product, I'm very satisfied, very well packaged and very well organized, very easy to assemble. It only took me maybe about, I would probably say 10 minutes to put it together. As far as the actual product, this is about maybe 7 pounds. It's not that heavy, so it's really easy to move around. It's made of aluminum, very sturdy. Also, if you're interested in ordering one of these two, there's two options available. There's one with the integrated light, which is the one I have, and there's another one without the light. I think it's only a $10 difference. So if you're considering buying one of these, I would probably go with the one with the LED light. The one with the LED light can be controlled with this remote control light, so that way you can control the brightness if you need to. Color temperature of this LED light is 5,600 Kelvin, which I think is perfect because that's usually normally what I use here for the channel. So now I'm going to test different lighting scenarios that you can utilize with this rig for your product. I think this will help you make a decision if you want to go with the one with the integrated light or the one without the integrated light. Alright, so now I'm going to share my opinion and I'm going to share with you guys cons and pros of this product. First of all, I'm gonna start with the LED lights. So I have to say I'm very happy with the LED lights. At first, I didn't think I was gonna use them because I'm so used to using my studio lights. But what I really liked about them is that when I want to shoot on the go, it gives me the option to illuminate really quick, take the picture, and I'm done, which is really nice. So as far as the LED light, to me, it is a pro. I also like that it gives you the option where you can mount your cell phone with this cell phone mount included, and also it gives you the option that you can mount camera as well, your video camera. I'm using for this example the Sony a7 III, and it had no problem whatsoever handling that camera. The other thing that I really like about this rig is that it has 1/4 threads pretty much anywhere. This is excellent because it gives you the option to mount different accessories, or you can also attach friction arms to get creative. So if you don't want to take an angle from top to bottom like this one, you can actually use a friction arm and you can actually move your camera to a different angle, which is really nice. These bars right here are included, and the cool thing about it is that you can also get creative with these. If you want, you can mount this here and mount a light, or maybe something like this to mount another light. So you can actually get very creative, which I think is a plus. So another thing that I like about this rig is that it's not permanently attached to your desk. There's some other different options like this that you have to attach them to your desk. So if you are on the go and you need to move quick, it doesn't give you the freedom that this one gives you. So this one is really easy to move around, and I really like that. All right, and now I'm gonna go over the cons, starting with the LED light. Now, I know I mentioned that I like the light. However, when you're photographing products that have reflective surfaces, it's very difficult because you will see a barred light on that product. But this is only for reflected products. So just keep that in mind. Now, there's ways that you can go around that. The first one will probably be maybe changing the camera to a different angle, or the other option will be just to turn off the LED bar and just use another external light from a different angle, and it'll go away. So there's different ways to go about that. The other thing I want to mention is the brightness. So the light gives you the option to adjust the brightness with this control. Now, one thing I want to mention is that whenever you pass 50%, there's no change whatsoever on the light, or maybe just a bit that you can barely tell. So it basically has from 0 all the way to 50%. From 50% all the way to 100, there's basically no change. So just keep that in mind. I honestly don't have a problem. If I need more light, I can always use one of my studio lights, so I don't have a problem with that. And last, this rig, keep in mind, is great for small, medium-sized product, but when you're taking pictures of large products, you will see the legs. You have to move the camera a little bit higher, and it gives you that option, which is great. But if you use a wide angle lens, you will see the legs. So a solution to that, I use Goya cans, or you can use Coke cans. You can even use books. So basically you can just lift up the legs and problem fixed, especially if you want to take pictures or video of a larger product. All right, so now I want to go over my wishful thinking. I only have two, and that is I wish the legs had an option, or maybe a knob, to be able to extend the legs a little bit higher. This would have been amazing, especially when you're photographing large products. Now keep in mind, you can control right now some of the height with this right here, but again, it's very limited. Another thing that would have been really nice to implement in the design was portability. So if you want to travel and you want to take this on the go really easy, just to be able to fold it and just put it in the bag and go. Instead, right now, if you want to do that, you can do that, but you have to unscrew a lot of screws to be able to do that. So a portable design would have been really, really cool on this rig. Alright guys, so that is it for today. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this rig? Is this something that you're considering? Are you a content creator or maybe just an artist considering one of these? Let me know in the comments below. And also, I'm very curious, what do you guys think of the audio for this video? I was using the Comica. the Vimo C. This is a brand new microphone and I wanted to test it on this video. So let me know what you guys think. Was the sound good? Was it bad? Awful? And also let me know if you would like me to do a full review on this microphone. So guys, as always, thank you for that like. Thank you for subscribing here to the channel. And I guess I will see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye.